Welcome to your guide on fortifying your BingX account. Let's secure your crypto kingdom with 7 ironclad steps. First, create a unique, complex password. It's the foundation of your account's defense against intruders. Enable two-factor authentication. This extra layer acts like a moat around your digital castle, keeping unwanted visitors out. Stay alert for phishing attempts. These sneaky tactics are like disguised invaders. Learn to spot and avoid them. Protect your account information like a closely held secret. Sharing is not caring when it comes to crypto security. Keep your system updated. Think of these as reinforcements for your fortress walls, patching up any vulnerabilities. Secure your devices and networks. Use trusted Wi-Fi and updated antivirus. It's like having a well-trained army. Monitor your account regularly. Be vigilant like a watchful guard, ready to spot any suspicious activity. Know what to do if you suspect a breach. Quick action is key. Have an emergency plan for your digital kingdom. Recap: strong passwords, 2FA, phishing awareness, confidentiality, updates, device security, and vigilant monitoring. For long-term safety, stay informed about the latest security practices. Knowledge is power in crypto security. Your crypto kingdom's safety is in your hands. Implement these measures now to ensure your BingX account remains impenetrable. Take action today. Click the link below to create your secure BingX account and become a protected crypto ruler.